Welcome to Extraordinary Adventures Volume 1, Pirates. A game of high adventure, treasure, and plunder. Sail your 3 pirate ships on 3 unique tracks through the Caribbean toward the Spanish treasure fleet anchored in Trinidad. When the first pirate ship reaches Trinidad, the game ends, and the ships score based on their finishing positions. Along the way, however, you'll be tempted by juicy merchant ships just off the main track. Plunder them and secure valuable cargo, and recruit merchant crewmen to build your deck. Once you've plundered enough cargoes, you can sail into a port to cash them in for treasure. While in port, you will also recruit a valuable specialist crewman that will truly power up your deck. Extraordinary Adventures, Pirates, featuring deck building, racing, and set collection in an epic game of sailing, swashbuckling, and treasure.